Hello, dear ones. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the wonderful world of Vaseline. You may know him as a reliable moisturizer, but did you know he has some amazing hidden talents? In this video, we'll explore 10 amazing ways to use Vaseline that you've probably never thought of before. So let's get started. 1. Makeup not to be missed. Number 1 on our list is a game changer for your makeup routine. Instead of spending on expensive highlighters, just apply a little petroleum jelly on your cheekbones for a natural, moist glow. It's an economic hack that celebrities swear. 2. DIY lip exfoliation. Now, let's talk about those delicious lips. With just a pinch of sugar and a little Vaseline, you can create your own lip scrub. Exfoliate gently to reveal softer lips, perfect for those bold lip colors. 3. Hero of the hair. Guess what? Vaseline isn't just for the skin. If you're dealing with frizzy hair or split ends, rub a small amount of petroleum jelly between your palms and glue it over your hair. Say hello to shiny hair. 4. Tamer of eyebrows. Sculpting these eyebrows can be challenging, but don't be afraid. A touch of Vaseline applied with a clean mascara wand can keep those rebellious eyebrows in place all day. Eyebrow game, strong. 5. Prolonger of perfume. Did you know that Vaseline can help make your favorite perfume last longer? Apply a little petroleum jelly to your pulse points before spraying your perfume. Its characteristic scent will remain for much longer. 6. Magic of nail care. Keeping your nails is a breeze with Vaseline. Rub it on your cuticles to keep them soft and healthy. Also, if you like DIY manicures, apply a thin layer around your nails before painting. Any excess nail polish will clean easily. 7. Open doors easily. Yes, you heard it right. Vaseline can even help you in everyday situations. If you're dealing with a sticky lock, apply a small amount of petroleum jelly to your key and insert it into the lock. Unlock smoothly in seconds. 8. Protective of leather. Protect your leather shoes, bags, or furniture from drying out and cracking. A gentle Vaseline massage can help maintain your shine and flexibility. Who knew Vaseline could be a leather best friend? 9. Prevention of rust. For all the DIY enthusiasts out there, Vaseline is a great tool to have. Apply a thin layer on tools and metal objects to prevent rust. It's like a protective shield for your metal gear. 10. Easy label removal. Last but not least, say goodbye to stubborn stickers. Whether in glass, plastic, or even clothes, a little Vaseline can help loosen the adhesive. No more scraping or frustration.